Hello and welcome to Lily and Heidi channel. Learning English here is fun and easy, with a focus on English stories and shadowing practice. Our videos are designed for beginners of all ages, and the content is suitable for English beginner level, so you can follow along comfortably and confidently. Here, you'll find fun and engaging English stories, easy to follow bilingual stories, shadowing practice to boost your pronunciation and speaking skills. Plus, we offer bite-sized shorts playlists, perfect for quick daily practice anytime, anywhere. Catch fresh, uplifting videos every week. Subscribe now and start speaking English naturally. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.